Hi, in this video we'll see how to download and install Maven. For that, open browser, type Maven. You can see the first URL, Maven Apache. You click on it. Use download. It will navigate to this page. Here you can see the present version of Maven 3.6.3, and here you can see the minimum system requirements needed to download and install Maven. So here the minimum requirement is JDK 1.7 or above, and the disk space approximately 10 MB is required for Maven installation. And here you can download the second option, that is binary zip archive, Maven 3.6.3 bin zip. You click on this. So to save time, you can see this Apache Maven is getting downloaded. To save time, I have already downloaded this zip file. Here you can see Apache Maven successfully downloaded under the downloads folder. Now you need to extract this file. I have extracted this file and into a C drive. Here you can see under program files, Apache Maven 3.6.3. Next, we need to set up environment variables. For that, you need to open the control panel. Under the system and security, you can see system, advanced system settings. Click on advanced system settings. Go to the advanced tab. Under that, you can see environment variables. You click on it. Here you need to create two variables. So for that, click on new. You need to type Maven home, Maven underscore home. Right? And the variable value you need to give here is the path, exactly where it is placed. Now go to your C drive, program files, Apache Maven 3.63, and choose the path. Control C. Copy the path and press OK. Right? I have already created Maven home. Next, you need to create one more variable, that is m2 underscore home. The same variable value will be assigned here. So just paste and click OK. Right? I have already created one more variable, m2 home. We are using these two variables to make it work for any of the versions. Maven home is for 1 and m2 home for 2 and above. Next, you need to set the path variable. Click on path. Either you can double click on it or you select path and you can click edit. Either of the things you can do. Now here you need to add the path where actually bin folder is. So go to the C folder, again go back. In Apache 3.6.3, you are having a bin folder. You click open the bin folder. Now you need to copy the complete path and then paste it here. Okay, the same thing I have pasted it. Press OK, OK, and OK. Now we need to check whether it is working. Now go to your command prompt, type mvn, and you check the version. It's successfully installed. Apache Maven 3.6.3, and here the Maven home directory is program files Apache. This might vary from your system to my system. In my system, I have located this under C drive, program files. This is where exactly my JDK is also present. So my JDK version is 10. Yes, it is meeting the minimum requirement it needs is 1.7 or above. Here in my system, I am having JDK 10. This is how you can download and install Maven. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll see few examples on Maven.